Alright, so this is my bike. This is what I've been riding. Just got my Colony Free Coaster hub. I got the Rainbow Primo 14 gauge spokes. Alienation Black Sheep wall. Just came in today. Just got done giving a little test run. Badass. It feels good to be back on a free coaster. Can't wait to get out and actually test it out. Just trued it. It's nice and straight now. I had some tire rub issues, but I just fixed that. That's all taken care of. And I got the Odyssey Evo 2s. Brake setup, Odyssey all the way through. All the way up to the brake lever. Smoothest brake system I ever had. Got some stolen, I think they're the M22 cranks. Odyssey JCPC pedals. I run the screws on one side. Try to do lucky grinds or whatever. Them pins, they get caught up. I don't like that crap, so I run them all on one side. Maximum grip. These things have lasted, I don't know. I got these when I got the frame and the 3-piece. I love them. The frame now. Yeah. Yep. This is the Sunday. Yep. It is the Sunday third wave. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. No problems with it, no bends, no tweaks, no cracks. I actually got this on a hand-me-down type of shit. Pretty dope. My boy Joe back in Brooklyn. Appreciate it, bro. The gift that keeps on giving. Woo-hoo! Alright, then. Over on this side, Shadow Half Link. It's a bit tight at the moment, but it'll be alright. Odyssey MSDS. I wanted to get the outer, but nah, they quit selling that by the time I could afford it. My life story. But yeah, got that. Had that for a while now. Never giving that up. I got Primo pegs on the right side. Eastern pegs on the left side. It's just got fit stickers on them. Primo bars. I got these bars on another hookup. My boy George, also in Brooklyn. Appreciate it for the Primo bars. Still rocking them. Still got them going. Redline forks. I don't know which ones they are. I just know they're red lines. They've been holding up pretty good. I don't know about the headset. Yep, my boy Homer. No! But yeah. Front hub. Primo hub. Old school. 14mm. Can't stop riding 14mm. I'm too heavy for that shit. Can't be riding these little 3/8 or female hubs. I gotta go males all the way. Some regular spokes. I laced this myself. Amber wall. Got the Animal MTT tires. 235s, I believe. Yep, 235s. If you got tight frame, I do not recommend these, especially in 235s. Like I said, I had some back tire rubbing issues. I had to true my rim to actually get that to stop. Got the amber stem. That seat, yeah, it's still rocking that. That's the Kink stiletto, straight off the Kink team. I forget dude's name because it was a long time ago. But I actually got a frame, a fork, a headset, the seat with the seat post. deal. He showed up at McCarran Skate Park and was like, hey, you know, anybody that wants this, you know me, man, being poor BMX ride, I jump right on that shit. Got my boy Silverback, $150, representing. Got my other boy, Mango, Team Mango Bikes. Everybody know about that. If you don't know, you better know. And then right back to Colony Free Coaster. Yeah, oh man, dude, I hate cassettes. I can't stand the pedaling backwards. I can't stand the noise. For everybody that rides cassettes, more power to you. I'm not knocking you, so don't be thinking I'm knocking cassettes or whatever. I'm not, dude. I'm just as nice on cassette as free coaster. It's just I prefer the silence and not having a back pedal. Back pedal with me, I'm pretty sure other riders did a lot of damage to their legs. So backpedaling high speed, trying to do fakey lines, fakey grinds, fakey tricks. Pedaling backwards just ain't cutting it. So that's where the free coaster comes in handy. Like I said in my unboxing, I wasn't sure about how well this color scheme would go together, but damn, it's pretty. I mean, I got the rainbow hub on there, got the white spokes, got the green nipples, the blue wall. I mean, this color scheme couldn't have gone any better, to be honest. I thought it was actually going to look like crap, but surprisingly, it looks nice. I will be rebuilding the front wheel. I might be painting the hub white. Go ahead and paint that white. It's going to have the blue wall. It's going to be the Alienation Delinquent wall, which is the same thing as the black sheet. Yeah, they just stopped another sticker on it. But other than that, that's pretty much my bike check. Been running these parts. Had the frame since 2012, seat since 2012, crank since 2012, hub guard since 2011, peg since 2012, sprocket since 2012, headset since 2012, the bars since 2012, grips. No, I just updated the grips probably about a year and a half ago. Had the seat, long time, seat post, the brake set up. I forget the dude's name that hooked me up with the Evo 2s. And then the detangler. That was pretty dope. Pretty much had a mini sponsorship going on through the neighborhood. You know. But it's alright. I'm only in it for the fun now. That's all I could do. But yeah, that's my bike check. February 2015. Hopefully the summers be badass. A lot of tricking, a lot of tickets. Probably go to jail this year because they shut down the last skate park that allowed bikes in South Carolina. So, yeah. Gonna be a lot of trouble this year. Especially with my new setup. I'm super stoked on this. Oh man. One thing with this free coaster straight out the box, I just put it on. It was sticking when you stop pedaling. It did stick, but I don't know what's really up with that. Maybe it's just break-in process. There's no noises from it. It's smooth ride, pedals smooth. It does stick when you stop pedaling. Hopefully that will kind of disappear after a little while. It's currently snowing right now. So, really can't go out and make a review on this. Because I have tried to search up reviews on the Colony Free Coaster Hub, but I couldn't find it. I found Demolition, Primo, Federal, Colt, Eclat. No, I found every single free coaster out there with reviews except the Colony. If you know about it, just go ahead and comment. If you don't know, just watch the comments. Watch out for my review, because once it gets warmer outside, I will definitely be out there seeing what this thing can take. Not can do, what it can take. I haven't rode free coaster in 2 years. I blew out my other free coaster with Alienation. I blew that shit out. That went boom. So, let's see how well this one does. Until then, ride or die, motherfuckers.